Hi, this is John Holker, and we're doing the boat across the river. And we were going to try to guess the upstream angle, or at least visualize it somehow. So I'm introducing another type of technology that you could use in the classroom, Geogebra. I thought I would just put it on YouTube, and it'd be easier to explain. So I type in Geogebra, Geogebra, onto my browser, DuckDuckGo, and off we go. We go to the site and we want to start it. And we want geometry. We've got nothing to delete, so we'll just delete. There's nothing to save. So I end up with this nice flat screen, empty screen here, and I need to draw a riverbank, so I need a point. Always got to start with a point. Pick a point, and then I need a line to represent one of my riverbanks. And I'll try to flatten it out a little bit. A little bit more. There we go. You can fiddle with the lines as much as you want. There we go. Alright, so now I'd like a line parallel to that. So I go to parallel lines on the next icon. And I come down here, make a dot, and tap up here, and we should get a parallel line. And so now I have a nice river going across my stream. Now my current is be going from left to right this way. This is the way my current's going, the way that little cursor is. And so I'd like to make it straight across, and as we discussed last time in the other video, I try to go straight across, so I'm going to be being pushed downstream, okay? So we need a perpendicular line, so let's go back to that same icon and get a perpendicular line in here. Put it right here. There we go. Alright, so that's straight across the river, and the current's coming this way, so I need to aim upstream, so I make it straight across. So basically the boat's going to be kind of like, just like my arrow is. If you look at the arrow, you see how that arrow is angled? It's angled, and it's going to be going upstream, facing not straight across, but at an angle, just like this arrow. That's how the boat's going to go upstream. So, or straight across, excuse me. So, let's go ahead and find that angle. And if our last calculation, the angle was, I need a point here. Shoot, sorry about that. Point right there. Okay, let's try that again. We'd like an angle of given size. So, boom, boom. Now, that angle that we calculated in the last one was 22.6. So we're going to go ahead and put 22.6 in there. And we're going to see exactly what it looks like. And there it is. And it's 22.6 degrees. And put a line there for us so we can see it better. Line, 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 line. Line, there we go. And dot. That's it. We want our line. Come on now, line. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so there's your way you're aiming. But you're not going to end up there because all this time the river is going to push you across. And once again, it's exactly like this arrow going straight across here. This arrow will be, your boat's going to have its nose, or the bow, excuse me, pointing that way, and it's going to be angled as it goes straight across. So that's what it would look like, and there's GeoGebra, and a nice tool to technology to figure different things out angle-wise and so forth, and you can move this back and forth, play with different angles. Alright, thank you very much.